Hey, good morning, physical science students. This is Wednesday, September 2nd. We will not be meeting today face to face through Zoom. We will have some things for you to do though, so I'm going to explain quickly how to do those things. So you're in your Schoology page right here. You're going to scroll down to week 1 right there, and you're going to take a look at the weekly overview. So today is Wednesday, so these items you're going to get done. So make sure you get yourself attendance again. So that's got to be due before 2:45. So just get into class, take attendance for yourself. The other thing that you're going to do is you're going to review the course folders. So I'm going to come back here to the very top. There is some student family help resources, just some questions. If you have questions, here's some answers. There's information on Chromebooks if you're struggling with that. Parents and guardians help there. Students help there. There's lots of videos, information. So you definitely don't need to watch everything and read everything, but look through it kind of quickly so you understand what's there for you. The other folder is the course information. You have our syllabus, which you need to take a look at so you know how you're being graded, you know what topics we're going to cover, things like that. There's an optional online textbook. It's right there. Make sure you take a look at that. Some of you are going to really benefit by reading the textbook, so there you go. And then my contact information right there. All right. So number 1, take attendance. Number 2, go through those folders. Number 3, if you need to go back and rewatch the video, and if you have not yet submitted your assignment from yesterday, make sure you submit that. And then, so the second folder in here is 2. So today is the second day of the week that you're in this class. So you're going to click on 2. Make sure you take your daily attendance right there. And then there's 20 things in 2020 about me. So this is just a little Google form where I get to figure out a little bit more information about you. So sort of a fun little quiz to take, so I want you to do that today. All right. As always, if you have any questions at all, you can email me. I also have my Google Voice number, which is in the contact information right here. Please let me know if you're struggling with anything. All right. We can definitely help you out, but you gotta let us know. All right. So I will see you all either Thursday or Friday, whichever hour you are in. Do your best. Have a great time.